Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is the February 2018 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month includes 4 new collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. When you purchase the Flavors of the Month, you'll also receive 4 recipe cards designed by the design team with cutting and assembly instructions for 4 different double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and drink that while you're creating with your beautiful kits. So this month we have Crepe Paper Main Squeeze and Crepe Paper Good Vibes, Photo Play Paper Vintage Girl, and Simple Stories Romance. So you can see this is all about the love this month, but of course you can use it for lots of other things. So let's take a closer look at each one of these collections. Starting with the Main Squeeze from Crepe Paper, you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock, and then your pattern paper, starting with this one, is Cute Pear, and it has all of these cute fruits, the pear and the lemon and the strawberries and those pink and greens. It's just super cute and fun and whimsical. The back side is this pink with the white drawn hearts. This one, called Just Love, is this big brush stroke plaid in the dark pinkish red. The back side is kind of a minty green with different sizes of white hearts. This one, called Swak, so Seal It With a Kiss, is all of these kiss words, kiss, smooch, moi, done in the script writing. And the back side are more of these fun drawn hearts in pink and red on a blue polka dot paper. So one more look at your papers. You can see this is a really fun, whimsical collection. For the embellishments, you're going to get a 1/4 pack of the puffy stickers. So your embellishments will vary in your kit. You're also going to get one of the heart tassels and some of the ephemera pieces. So you'll have plenty of embellishments to play along with the Crepe Paper Main Squeeze. Next is Good Vibes from Crepe Paper, and you can see this is another really fun, whimsical collection. This one is called All Good. It has these cute birds and all of these florals on here. The back side is a polka dot on a tan, kind of a craft cardstock looking print. This one, called Passion, is brush strokes of all these different colors in a stripe. So this would be fun as cut apart in borders, or papers like this are a lot of fun to do digital die cuts and have this showing through as a big background. The back side is this purple with black polka dots. This one, called Fresh, has all of the cactus and the pinks and the blue-greens, and the back is a blue-green with a pink grid design. So one more look at the patterned papers. For your cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of Avalanche. The embellishments, you're going to get one of the frames, so all of your embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is the one I received, and some of the puffy stickers and ephemera. So again, your embellishments will vary, but this is a good look and a good sampling of what you could receive. From Photo Play Paper, we have Vintage Girl. You'll get 2 sheets of black cardstock, and then the pattern paper is this beautiful floral cameras called Razzle Dazzle. You could cut those apart or leave it as a full sheet. The back side is this black and white horizontal stripe. Then this beautiful floral called Allure. And the back side is a pink with a black polka dot. This paper, called Expressive, has all of the words bonjour, happy, elegant. And the back side is this black tone-on-tone paisley print. So you can tell this is just a gorgeous, stunning color scheme. And you can never go wrong with flowers. For your stickers, or for your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. You get borders, large icons. This one has some frames on it, as well as some large words you could use for titles and some smaller banners for subtitles. And I love this banner here. So this is a beautiful collection. It's going to be a lot of fun to create with. The final collection from Simple Stories is Romance. This one is another gorgeous, stunning color scheme and collection. This paper, called Love and Adore, has a music sheet and then this beautiful lace border with the florals. The back side is a paisley print in white on pink. And then this large floral. Again, you could cut those apart to embellish with because they never give you enough flowers to embellish with. So that's a fun way to get more in. The back side is another paisley done in white on a cream background. And this one, called Love Story, is super cute. It's the brick wall with this spray painted pink heart. You could really have a lot of fun putting a title here and maybe just a small picture here. The back side is a black with white polka dot. So one more look at patterned papers. The cardstock are 2 sheets of walnut cream. And then for the embellishments, you're going to get 1/3 of the sheet of Be Mine, which are these bingo cards, so you could cut those apart to embellish with. Or the back side has this gorgeous lacy border in the different colors, so you could even cut those apart and use those as embellishments. So a lot of fun. And then you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the bits and pieces. So those will vary, as well as 3 Doodlebug heart paper clips, and these will vary among the kits too. So that is Simple Stories Romance. One more look at your 4 collections in February's Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group to join in on the challenges and to see what the design team is creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. If you're not already subscribed to this YouTube channel, click that coffee cup so you'll be notified when new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create